If you're over 60, there's a molecule inside every one of your cells that's quietly collapsing right now. Harvard scientists have a name for it. They call it NAD+. By the time you turn 60, your NAD+ levels have fallen by more than half. By 80, almost gone. And when it disappears, your mitochondria, the engines that give you energy, start to fail. Your DNA stops repairing itself. Your cells forget how to be young. But there's something Harvard researchers stumbled onto that nobody talks about. A $4 food. Sitting in the frozen aisle of every grocery store. Grown in Japan for over 2,000 years. And it contains the highest known concentration of the one molecule that rebuilds NAD+ in any food on Earth. Stay with me, because in the next 9 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what it is, what the Harvard research actually found, and a 30-day protocol you can start tonight. What NAD+ actually does, and why losing it makes you old. Let me explain what's actually happening inside your body, because once you understand this, everything about aging starts to make sense. NAD+ stands for Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Don't worry about the name, just understand this. NAD+ is the molecule that lets your cells do three things: repair their own DNA, communicate with their mitochondria, and switch on the longevity genes called sirtuins. Think of NAD+ as the spark plug for every cell in your body. Now here's what Dr. David Sinclair and his team at Harvard Medical School discovered. As we age, NAD+ doesn't just decrease, it collapses. In your 20s, your cells are flooded with it. By age 50, you've lost about half. By 60, even more. By 80, your levels are barely measurable. And Sinclair's team found something even more disturbing. When NAD+ falls, the communication between your mitochondria and your cell's nucleus breaks down. He compared it to a married couple who've stopped talking after 40 years. And that breakdown? That's what we feel as aging. The fatigue when you climb stairs, the gray hair, the skin that doesn't bounce back, the slow recovery from a simple cut, the brain fog at 3 p.m. It's not just time, it's NAD+ collapse. Why a Japanese food keeps showing up in the lab. Now here's where the story gets interesting. Sinclair's lab, and labs around the world, started searching for natural compounds that could rebuild NAD+. They tested molecules, they tested supplements, and one keeps showing up in the research. It's called NMN, Nicotinamide Mononucleotide. NMN is the direct precursor to NAD+. Inside your body, in a single step, NMN converts into NAD+. It's the building block your cells are starving for. In Sinclair's mouse studies, NMN reversed signs of aging in muscle tissue. The mice ran farther. Their mitochondria came back online. Their blood vessels behaved like those of younger animals. And here's the part nobody talks about. In 2016, researchers at Washington University in St. Louis measured how much NMN naturally occurs in common foods. They tested vegetables, fruits, meats, dairy. One food, by a wide margin, contained the highest concentration: edamame, young, immature soybeans, the same bright green pods that have been part of the Japanese diet for over 2,000 years. The study found edamame contained up to 1.88 milligrams of NMN per 100 grams, more than broccoli, more than avocado, more than tomatoes, more than cucumber. And here's what struck the researchers. The Japanese island of Okinawa, one of the world's 5 blue zones, where people routinely live past 100, has eaten edamame as a staple food for over 1,000 years. They didn't know what NMN was. They didn't need to. They just knew this little green pod made them feel good. 3 mechanisms. 1. Ancient food. So why edamame? Why this specific food? It's not just the NMN. Edamame works on aging through 3 separate mechanisms, and this is what makes it different from any supplement on the market. Mechanism number 1. NMN delivery. Edamame contains the highest food source concentration of NMN ever measured. When you eat it, your body converts that NMN into NAD+ in a single chemical step. Your sirtuins, your longevity genes, switch back on. Mechanism number 2. Spermidine. Edamame is also rich in a compound called spermidine. Spermidine triggers autophagy, your body's cellular self-cleaning system. The Japanese scientist Yoshinori Ohsumi won the 2016 Nobel Prize for discovering this mechanism. Autophagy is how your cells take out the trash. As you age, it slows down. Spermidine restarts it. Mechanism number 3. Isoflavones and protein. Edamame contains isoflavones that reduce the silent inflammation Harvard calls inflammaging, the chronic, low-grade inflammation that drives almost every disease of old age. And the complete protein in edamame helps preserve the muscle mass you lose every year after 50. One food, 3 pathways, all of them aimed at the cellular machinery that breaks down after 60. This is why I don't call edamame a superfood. Superfood is a marketing word. I call edamame a cellular food. Exactly what to do, starting tonight. Here is the exact protocol. Simple, affordable, backed by what we know from the research. Step 1. 1 cup of edamame per day. That's roughly 150 grams. Frozen edamame from any grocery store works perfectly. About $3 to $4 a bag, which gives you 4 servings, so your daily cost is under $1. Step 2. Eat it lightly steamed. 3 to 5 minutes in boiling water with a pinch of sea salt. That's it. Do not microwave it for 10 minutes. Do not overcook it. Heat above 70 degrees Celsius for too long begins to degrade the NMN. Step 3. Time it correctly. Eat your edamame either with breakfast or as a mid-afternoon snack, not at night. NAD+ levels naturally rise during your active hours, and you want to support that rhythm, not fight it. Step 4. Pair it with a 16-hour fast at least 3 times a week. Fasting itself raises NAD+ because your cells turn on the genes that produce it when food is scarce. Edamame plus intermittent fasting creates what researchers call a synergistic NAD+ boost. Step 5. Be patient. Give it 30 days. Most people notice 3 changes in the first month. Steady your energy in the afternoon. That 3 p.m. crash starts to fade. Better recovery. Small cuts heal faster. Soreness disappears quicker. And clearer thinking, especially in the morning hours. These are the same markers Sinclair's lab uses to measure NAD+ restoration. Here's what I want you to take away from this. The longevity industry will sell you a $1,000 bottle of NMN. They'll tell you the science is too complicated for ordinary food. It isn't. For over 2,000 years, the longest living people on Earth have been eating the food with the highest concentration of NAD+ precursors ever measured. They didn't need a lab to figure it out. They needed a pot of water and a small green pod. Your NAD+ is collapsing. That's the bad news. The good news is your cells are still listening. Give them what they need and the machinery starts to come back online. 30 days, $4 a week, 1 ancient food. If you want more videos like this, the ancient foods, the Japanese rituals, the small daily habits that quietly rebuild your body after 60, subscribe to Fine Aging. There's a new one every week. I'll see you in the next video.